Facing an error while saving or deleting contacts on your phone? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error saving contact problem step by step. Let's get started. First, check if your Contacts app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store and search for Google Contacts. If you see an update button, tap on it to update the app to the latest version. Once updated, open the Contacts app and check if the issue is fixed. If the problem still continues, go to your phone's settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now, find and select Contacts from the list. Tap on Storage, then tap Clear Cache. After that, tap Clear Data to reset the app. Now go back and tap on Permissions. Make sure all permissions are allowed so the app can function properly. Once done, open the Contacts app again and sign into your account if needed. Check if you can now save or delete contacts without any errors. If the issue still isn't fixed, the last step is to uninstall the Contacts app and reinstall it from the Play Store. And that's it. One of these methods should fix the error-saving contact problem on your device. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials.